Welcome to Kid Colors. Join us in celebrating. What is a birthday? What exactly is a birthday? Well, for starters, a birthday is a special day that comes once a year to celebrate the day you were born, how much you've grown and how special you are. Your birthday is like your very own personal holiday. It's a time for fun, parties, and spending time with friends and family. Birthdays are celebrated in lots of fun ways. You might have a party with balloons, decorations, and your favorite foods. There could be a cake with candles that you get to blow out after making a wish. You might play games, dance, and sing songs. Friends and family give you gifts, and everyone enjoys spending time together to make your day really special. It's all about having fun and celebrating you. But guess what? Birthdays aren't just celebrated in one way. Around the world, people celebrate birthdays in different ways, but they all focus on having fun and making the day special. In some places, people have big parties with lots of friends and family, while in others, they might enjoy a quiet family dinner. Some countries have unique traditions, like wearing special clothes, playing special games, or eating special foods. But it's not just about the gifts and the cake. Birthdays are a time to feel super loved and appreciated. It's when your friends and family gather around to show you just how special you are. Whether it's a big party with all your friends or a cozy day with your family, birthdays are all about spreading joy and making memories that'll last a lifetime. So, the next time you blow out those candles, remember just how amazing you are and how lucky we all are to have you in our lives. Thanks for joining Kid Colors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a celebration with us.